In this video I'm going to show you how to check your promo code in OneXBet. This is very easy, but before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional OneXBet account, and to do so, you simply click on registration. Next, you click on buy email, and here you're going to fill all your personal information. Now at the section of promo code, you enter the promo code UTV, and by using this promo code, you get a bonus of 300%. So if you top up your account with $100, you get $300. Now, in order to benefit of all the advantage of a good promo code, you have to first have a very authentic and valid promo code. So don't hesitate to create your account using the promo code mentioned earlier. So now, if you want to verify a promo code, simply going to click on the menu icon at the bottom right, and next you're going to click on casino. Now you're going to come and click on bonus. Here you are going to scroll, and here you are going to find out this option of check and activate on the section of promo code. You are going to click on it, and then you are going to enter the promo code that you wish to check the validity of. Now once this is done, you are simply going to click on activate, and this will activate if the promo code is valid or refuse if the promo code is not valid, and it's as simple as that.